Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am EDUKADO by Sir Arnold Ryan Mercado. So this time we're going to discuss one of the important topics ulit sa Mathematics Grade 10. So this is all about arithmetic, sequences, and series. Para higit natin maintindihan, let's go beyond the slides. So let's have the difference first between sequence and series. So, anong pinagkaiba ng dalawa? The sequences list with commas. Samantalang series indicated sum. Example natin, 3, 8, 13, 18. That's a sequence. Pero pag series, meron siyang sum. So, 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18. Gano'n natin sila i-represent. So, let's go with arithmetic sequences. An arithmetic sequence is defined as a sequence in which there is a common difference between consecutive terms. Example. Now, which of the following sequences are arithmetic? Identify the common difference. So, meron tayong negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yan by arithmetic sequence? Yes. Ang kanyang common difference is 2. Bakit po? 9 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Then ito rin po ang negative 1, negative 3 minus negative 1 ay 2. So that is an example of arithmetic sequence. Hindi siya series kasi hindi naman siya plus sign na nakalagay. Another. 15.5, 14, 12.5, 11, 9.5, tapos 8. Is that arithmetic sequence? Yes. Common difference is negative 1.5. Ito naman. 84, 80, 74, 66, 56, 44. Arithmetic sequence ba siya? No. Kasi wala silang common difference. Ito namang isa, negative 8, 6, negative 4, 2, at 0. Is that arithmetic sequence? No pa rin, kasi wala pa rin common difference. Another, negative 50, negative 44, negative 38, negative 32, negative 26. Is that an arithmetic sequence? Yes. Common difference is 6. The common difference is always the difference between any term and the term that precedes the term. So, kagaya nito, negative 26, negative 21, negative 16, negative 11, at negative 6, ang kanyang common difference is 5. The general form of an arithmetic sequence: first term, a sub 1. Second term, a squared, a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. Third term, a sub 3 is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d. Fourth term, a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1 plus 3d. Then fifth term, a sub 5 is equal to a sub 1 plus 4d. Then the nth term, kasi pwedeng yan, infinite. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 times d. So, tignan natin yung pattern na sunod-sunod lang naman siya. Kaya hindi siya masyado nakakalito pagdating sa arithmetic sequence. Formula for the nth term of arithmetic sequence. Ito po yun. So, tandaan po natin yung a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 multiplied by d. A sub n is the nth term. A sub 1 is the first term. N is the term number. Then d is the common difference. If we know any three of these, we ought to be able to find the fourth. Of course, diba? Given. Ito na. 79, 75, 71, 67, at 63. Kunin natin ang kanyang arithmetic sequence. Ayan. Hanapin daw natin yung si A sub 32. So, identify lang natin. Ayan. A sub 1 ay 79. Yung kanyang D ay negative 4. Bakit? 79 minus 75, 4. Then, ang hinahanap natin N is equal to 30. Then, substitute lang natin yan. So, A sub N is equal to A sub 1 plus N minus 1 times the common difference. So, substitute natin yung values na nakuha natin sa formula. A sub 32, A sub 1 ay 79, plus 32 minus 1 times 4. So, pagka-simplify natin yan, so unahin natin to, 32 minus 1, 31, times negative 4. Anong lalabas? Ipa-plus kay 79. So, the answer will be A sub 32 is equal to negative 45. Another, 79, 75, 71, 67, 63. What term number is negative? Negative 169. So, term number naman ang hanap natin. So, identify natin yung A sub 1, 79. Yung common difference ay negative 4. At ang A sub N ay negative 169. So, hanapin daw natin yung term number niya. So, simple lang. Substitute pa rin natin sa formula. A sub N is equal to A sub 1 plus N minus 1 times D. So, A sub N, negative 169, is equal to 79, ayun po, plus N minus 1 times negative 4. So, simplify lang natin. Ilipat ko sa kabilang side. So, magiging sagot dyan ay 63. Another, A sub 10 is equal to 3.25. A sub 12 is equal to 4.25. Hanapin daw natin si A sub 1. So, what's the real question here? The difference. Identify natin. A sub 1, 3.25. Ayun yung value niya. A sub 3, 4.25. Then, ang kanyang N is equal to 3. Solution, substitute lang natin sa original formula ang lahat ng values natin. Then, makukuha natin si D. The answer is 0.5. Another example, A sub 10 is equal to 3.25. Then, A sub 12 is equal to 4.25. Hanapin daw si A sub 1. Identify. A sub 10 ay yung given. Then, D is 0.25. Ipag-minus lang yan. Then, N is equal to 10. Solve lang natin siya. So, substitute. Ayan po. Pagka-substitute, simplify lang natin. Then, the answer will be negative 1.25. So, let's go with arithmetic series. Write the first 3 terms and the last 2 terms of the following arithmetic series. Hindi na siya sequence, ha? Ayan. Ayan yung may sigma. So, sigma is equal to 73 minus 2b. So, pag na-represent natin yan, ganyan yan. 71 plus 69 plus 67 plus so on. Plus negative 25 plus negative 27. What is the sum of the series? Yan yung given natin kanina. So, ano kayong sagot dyan? Written first, last yan. Written last, first. Binaliktad lang natin. Tignan yung mabuti. So, pag-add lang. Simplify. 44, 44, 44, 44. Diba? Add down. 71 plus negative 27, each sum is the same. So, 44 ang sum. Ito po yung simplification natin. 50, then times 71 plus negative 27 divided by 2. So 50 terms. Then the answer is 1,100. In general, yung formula na yan at yan, laging ganyan ang kalalabasan. So ito rin po, panibagong formula natin. S is equal to N times A sub 1 plus A sub N over 2. S is the sum, N is the number of terms, A sub 1 is the first term, then A sub N is the last term. So example to, find the sum of the terms of this arithmetic sequence, or series, sorry. So substitute na ang kailangan natin. Identify first. So N, 35, ayun po yun. A sub 1, negative 26. Then A sub 35 ay 76. So simple lang, substitute lang natin siya. 35 negative 26 plus 76 divided by 2, the answer is 875. Find the sum of the terms of this arithmetic series. Ayan po yung given. So ganun pa rin. What term is negative 5? So A sub N is equal to A sub 1 plus N minus 1 times D. So si negative 5 is equal to 151 plus N sub 1 tapos last term ay negative 4. The common difference is negative 4. So N is equal to 40 pag sinimplify natin. So yun yung given niya. N is equal to 40, A sub 1 is equal to 151, then A sub 40 is equal to negative 5. Substitute lang natin, then the sum is 2,920. Alternate formula for the sum of arithmetic series. Kung nahirapan kayo sa isa, ito po ang bagong formula. S equal to N times A sub 1 plus A sub N over 2. Substitute lang natin yung hinahanap. Yan po yung kalalabasan. N is equal to number of terms. A sub 1 is the first term, then D is the difference. So let us find the sum of the series. Ayan. Yan yung given. It's not convenient to find the last term. Gamitin natin yung formula ng binigay. Ayan. So identify natin yung mga terms. So N is 37. Then A sub 1 is 2.25. Then distance is 0.75. Ayan. Substitute lang natin. Paulit-ulit. Then the answer is 582.75. Your turn. So, yan yung given. Ayan. So, pag sinod natin, ganyan ang kakalabasan. Ito naman yung isang formula niya. Parehas lang naman. So, isa pa example. So, arithmetic sequences. Add to get the next term. So, ito naman yung geometric sequences. Multiply to get the next term. Dito, 1 plus common, ano yung common difference sila? 3, diba? So, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 3, and so on. Ganun din dito. Dito naman, minumultiply. 2 times 4, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. And so on. Next 4 terms of negative 9, negative 2, and 5. So, ang kanyang arithmetic sequence ay, ayan. 7 is referred to as the common difference. Common difference is what we add to get the next term. So next 4 terms, 12, 19, 26, 33. So ito naman, find the next 4 terms of 0, 7, 14. Ano ang kanyang arithmetic sequence? Or D? 7. So ito yung mga kasunod niya, 28, 28, 35, 42. Find the next 4 terms of x, 2x, 3x. So anong common niya? The difference is x. So 4x, 5x, 6x, 7x. Find the next 4 terms of 5k, negative k, negative 7k. Ang arithmetic sequence niya ay negative 6k. So 13k, negative 19k, 25, negative 25k, and negative 32k. So tandaan natin, si A sub 1 ay first term, si A sub n ay n term, si n ay number of terms, si S sub n ay sum of n terms, then D is common difference. Ayan, yung kanyang mga formula. Tandaan po natin yung mga yan. Ito pa yung isang sample natin. Given an arithmetic sequence with A sub 15 is equal to 38 and D is equal to negative 3, find A sub 1. So, ganun pa rin. So, gamitin ang formulang to para makuha ang sagot. Ayan. Pag na-identify kasi natin to, madali na lang tayo mag-substitute. So, just simplify. X is equal to 80. So, ito, ganun din. Identify lang natin na ang A sub 1 ay 19, negative 19. A sub n ay nawawala. The number of terms is 63. Ang Sn niya or sum of n terms ay x. The common difference niya ay 6. So 19 minus 13, 6. Then just simplify it. So 353 nakuha natin na A sub n. Eh may nawawala pang isa. Ayan. Sum of n terms niya, 63, is 10,521. Then try also this one. Find A sub 16 if A sub 1 is equal to 1.5 and B is equal to 0.5. Ganun pa rin, identify natin itong mga to. Ayan. Substitute natin yung formula. A sub 16 is equal to 9. Ganun pa rin. Identify yung mga terms. Apply the formula. Substitute. Then simplify. X is equal to 27. Ganun pa rin. So, ito naman, find two arithmetic means between negative 4 and 5. So, hanapin ang A1, A sub 1, ang A sub n. Number of terms daw ay 4 din. Walang number of terms. Sum of number of terms. Common difference ay x. Nawawala. So, yan ang values, ang formula. Substitute the values. Ayan. So, yan yung possible na arithmetic means niya. Negative 1 and 2. Kasi, since negative 4 is negative 1 and 2 is equal, and is positive, 2 is for positive 5. So, ganun pa rin. Hanapin lang natin. Substitute natin yung values. So, ito yung mga possible niya na arithmetic means 7 over 4, 10 over 4, then 13 over 4. Ganun pa rin. substitute lang natin sa formula. Then, i-simplify lang natin. The sum of the first n terms of an infinite sequence is called the nth partial sum. Example natin, find the 150th partial sum of the arithmetic sequence 5, 16, 27, 28, and 49. Yan. And so on. Tingnan natin mabuti kung paano sinubstitute lamang sa formula. So, ito pa, isa pa example. An auditorium has 20 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 21 seats in the second row, 22 seats in the third row, and so on. How many seats are there in 20 rows? So, hinahanap niya yung kanyang common difference, which is equal to 1. Then, C is equal to 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Substitute natin sa formula. Ayan. Pati dun sa sum of the nth term. So, lalabas yung mga sagot na yan. 39 saka 590. So, for example yan. So, kunin lang natin yung mga values sa word problem, then substitute natin sila. Pag nakuha mo na yung A sub n, kunin mo yung sum of the nth term. Yan. So, the total sales for the first 20 years is $1,625,000. So, that's it. Sana naintindihan natin topic regarding the geometric sequence, arithmetic sequence, and the series. And now for this day, goodbye everyone.